Today we are going to see coordinate geometry in class 10. So in coordinate geometry, in the first exercise, we are going to see the problems based on the distance formula. Distance between any 2 points. Okay. If you consider 2 points, for example, A, x1, y1, and second point B, x2, y2, then we can write the distance between these 2 points using a formula. Okay. So distance d is equal to root over x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square. This formula is derived using Pythagoras theorem. Okay. So you have to remember this formula. Okay. x1, y1 are the coordinates of the first point, x2, y2 are the coordinates of the second point. So distance formula d is given like this. Okay. So let us see one problem based on this one. Find the distance between 2, 3 and 4, 1. So these are the given coordinates 2, 3 and 4, 1. These are the 2 points. Okay. So here I have to use this formula. So x1, y1 are this one. 2, 3 only x1, y1. So this is x1, y1, and then this one is the x2, y2. So now apply the formula distance d, or you can write, if you name this one as a and b. Now you can write the distance nothing but AB only. Okay. Simply you can represent a D that denotes the distance or AB. Okay. So distance between point A and B. So AB, that is equal to root over x2 minus x1. x2 here 4, x1 is 2. So 4 minus 2 the whole square plus y2 minus y1. y2 is 1, y1 is 3. So 1 minus 3 the whole square is equal to root over 4 minus 2. 4 minus 2 is plus 2. Okay. So 2 square is 4. And then plus here 1 minus 3. 1 minus 3 is minus 2. Okay. If you square even negative number, you will get a positive only. So here also 2 only. Minus 2 square is 4. So 4 plus 4 we get a 8. Root 8. So answer is root 8, or you can write it as root 8 as 4 into 2. Root 4 is nothing but 2 only. Okay. If you take outside, root 4 value is 2. So using that, root 4 is 2, remaining root will be there itself. So 2 root 2 is answer. AB. Let us see next question. Same using distance formula. Find the distance between points are given a, b and minus a, minus b, like this given. Okay. In terms of variables given. So straight away we can apply in the formula. Distance d is equal to root over x2 minus x1. Minus a, x2 value is minus a, minus, in formula you have minus, after that x1 value also a, the whole square plus y2 minus b, y1 is again b, the whole square. So finally it is equal to minus 2a the whole square plus minus 2b the whole square. So if you square minus 2, you will get a 4, and then a become a square. So root over 4a square plus 4b square. Here you can take 4 outside, root over 4 of a square plus b square. So root 4 will become 2, and then remaining will be inside the root only, root of a square plus b square. So this is the distance of the given coordinates. Okay. So this is next question. Determine if the points are collinear. So there are 3 points given. Collinear means all the 3 points lie on a same line. Okay. So for example, if you consider this is the point A, this is B, and then this is C. All the 3 points will lie on a same line. So like this, A, B and C. So points lying on the same line will be called collinear points. Okay. So we have to check using distance formula only whether these 3 points are collinear or not. Suppose if they are collinear, then A plus AC will be equal to AB plus BC. Like that you will get. Okay. So sum of the distance between A and C will be equal to AB plus BC. So let us find AB first using distance formula. So first write distance formula using distance D equal to root over x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square. Now we are going to find AB. Okay. So AB means in this one A and B. Write AB here 1, 5 and 2, 3. So this is x1, y1. This is x2, y2. Okay. x1 1, y1 5, x2 2, y2 3. So I have to apply in the formula x2 minus x1, 2 minus 1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1, 3 minus 5 the whole square. Now it is 2 minus 1 is 1. Okay. So 1 square plus 3 minus 5 is minus 2 square. So it is what 1 square 1 only, 2 square is 4. So we get root 5. So finally AB value we got root 5 units. Similarly we can find the BC and AC. So we found AB, now let us find the BC. So here point B 2, 3 and the C is minus 2, minus 1. So now x2 minus x1 minus 2 the whole square plus y2 value is minus 1 and then y1 value is 3. So minus y1, so minus 3 the whole square. So now it becomes minus 4 the whole square plus again minus 4 the whole square. So minus 4 square is 16. Here also 16. So we can write it as 216. So simply 16 into 2 like that you can write. Root 16 value is 4. So 4 root 2 is the answer. Root 16 value is 4 because root 16 we can write as root 4 into 4. So that is equal to 4. Understood? Now let us find AC. So distance between A and C 1, 5 and minus 2, minus 1. So here x2 is minus 2, x1 is 1, the whole square plus y2 value minus 1, y1 value minus 5, y1 value 5, in the formula you have minus sign. So the whole square, next minus 3 the whole square plus minus 6 the whole square, minus 3 square become 9, minus 6 square become 36. So 9 plus 36, root 47 you get. Okay. Now if you see what we got AB value, AB is what?
Root 5, sir.
Root 5. BC is
4 root 2.
4 root 2. And then AC is
Root 47.
root 47. See, if you see, we can't add sum of any two sides should be equal to other one. Okay. So AB plus BC is equal to AC, like that you have to get. But we are not getting anything like that. So therefore, these 3 points A, B, C are not collinear. So this is the answer I have to write. The given points are not collinear. Okay. So this is given question. Check whether the 3 points are given. Okay. These 3 points are the vertices of an isosceles triangle. So vertices of an isosceles triangle means in isosceles triangle any two sides will be equal. Okay. So I have to find the distance using distance formula. Okay, all three sides. In that, any two sides are equal means then we can say it is an isosceles triangle. Okay. So name these vertices like this: A, B, and C. Now let us find the distance AB. So using distance formula only, we can find AB. So AB is equal to, first write what is, this is A and B, 5 comma minus 2, 6 comma 4, here x1 y1, here x2 y2, and then distance formula, you know, distance formula D is equal to root over x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square. Now let us substitute for AB. X2 minus x1. What is x2? 6. X1 is 5. So 6 minus 5 the whole square plus y2 minus y1. 4 minus of minus 2. Listen here, 4 minus, in the formula you have minus. Okay. And then in y1 also you have minus sign. So 4 minus of minus 2. So that will become minus into minus plus 2.
Plus 2.
First I substitute like this itself, after that is here. So now 6 minus 5, 1. So 1 square plus 4 minus of minus 2. Minus into minus will become plus. So 4 plus 2, 6 is square. Now 1 plus 36. So it become root 37. Now let us find a BC. So BC is equal to root over, see B and C, this one. This is x1 y1, this is x2 y2. Okay. While finding BC, I have to keep this is x1 y1, this is x2 y2. Or else you write here B 6 comma 4 and then C 7 comma minus 2. So now this become x1 y1, this become x2 y2. So now again x2 minus x1, 7 minus 6 the whole square plus minus 2, y2 is minus 2, y1 is 4, so minus 4 the whole square. Now 7 minus 6, 1 only, 1 square, and then minus 2 minus 4, minus 6 square, minus 6 square is 36. So now again you get a 1 plus 36, 37. So BC is root 37, and then find the CA. Now let us find AC. So points of A 5 comma minus 2, coordinates of C 7 comma minus 2. Now this is x1 y1, this is x2 y2. So applying the formula x2 minus x1, 7 minus 5 the whole square plus y2 value minus 2 minus y1 value minus 2, again minus 2, so whole square. Now it becomes 7 minus 5, 2 square, and then here minus 2 minus of minus, it will become plus, plus 2 the whole square. So what it is, 2 square is 4, and then minus 2 plus 2, it becomes 0, 0 square, 0 only. So we get a root 4 only, AC value. So what we got, AB, AC root 4, AB and BC,
Root 37.
AB value,
37.
37.
AC,
37 only, sir.
root
37.
37. So we got AB and BC as the same values. Okay. So therefore, AB equal to BC. This implies ABC is an isosceles triangle. Name the type of quadrilateral formed by the points, 4 points given. Okay, so quadrilateral means we know it is a polygon with the 4 vertices. That's why they gave 4 points. Okay, coordinates of the 4 points. I have to check the type of quadrilateral. In the type of quadrilateral we have so many. Okay, square, rectangle, rhombus, parallelogram, like that we have so many. So I have to identify the type of quadrilateral based on the size we get. Okay, so length of the sides. The length of the sides we can find using distance formula. So first of all, name these vertices like A, B, C and D. Now let us find the distance AB. So AB is equal to root over, write the formula first, x2 minus, what is distance formula? Root over x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square. Now we are going to find distance between A and B. So A, B, so minus 1, minus 2, 1, 0. So this is x1, y1, this is x2, y2. Now x2 minus x1, x2 is 1, x1 is again minus 1. So 1 minus of minus 1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1, y2 0, y1 is minus 2. So whole square, that is equal to 1 minus of minus 1 is 2. Minus into minus become plus, so 1 plus 1 2, 2 square plus here minus into minus plus 2, so 2 square again. So we get 4 plus 4. So that is nothing but we can write it as 4 into 2, root over 4 into 2, root 4 becomes 2, so 2 root 2 is AB. Like that we can find the BC. All four sides I have to find it. So if all four sides are equal means then it may be either square or rhombus. And then diagonals also I have to find AC and BD. If the diagonals equal means then it is a square. Diagonals not equal means it is a rhombus. Okay, so let us find the side BC also. BC again use the distance formula. Now here 1 comma 0 minus 1 minus 2. Now this become x1 y1 x2 y2. So x2 minus x1 minus 1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 minus 2 minus y1 0 the whole square. So minus 1 minus 2 square plus here also minus 2 square.
Become 4 plus 4.
So same thing again, root of 4 plus 4, already we derived root of 4 plus 4 equal to 2 root 2. So it is 2 root 2.
Above proof.
So BC also 2 root 2. Now let us find the distance CD. So CD minus 1 comma 2 minus 3 comma 0. So this become x1 y1 x2 y2. Now using distance formula, x2 value minus 3 minus x1 value minus 1 again whole square plus y2 0 minus y1 value 2 the whole square. So now minus 3 plus minus into minus will become plus. So minus 3 plus 1 the whole square here minus 2 whole square. Minus 3 plus 1 is minus 2 only. So minus 2 square become 4. And then here also 4. So again we get a 2. What it is? Root of 4 plus 4. Already we derived 4 into 2. Root 4 becomes a 2. So 2 root 2. So CD become 2 root 2. In the same way we have to find AD. So A and D.
Minus 3
Minus 1 comma minus 2 minus 3 comma 0. So this is x1 y1, this is x2 y2, x2 minus 3 minus x1 minus of minus 1 the whole square plus y2 0 y1 minus 2 the whole square. Now minus 3 plus 1 whole square plus minus of minus 2 2 square. So it become minus 3 plus 1 is 2 only, 2 square 4, again 2 square 4. This again root of 4 plus 4 we derived 2 root 2. So it is 2 root 2. So we get AD also 2 root 2. So all four sides are equal now. So it may be a square or rhombus. But to differentiate whether it is a square or rhombus, I have to find the diagonals. Okay. The diagonal means opposite vertices, AC and BD. I have to find AC and BD. If AC equal to BD means then it is a square. AC is not equal to BD means then it is a rhombus. Now let us find the length of the diagonal AC. A minus 1 comma minus 2, they become x1 y1, and C minus 1 comma 2 become x2 y2. So x2 minus x1 minus 1 minus again minus 1 square plus y2 2 minus y1 again minus 2 square. So it become minus 1 minus of minus plus 1 the whole square plus 2 minus of minus 2, it become plus 2 the whole square. So minus 1 plus 1 is 0, so 0 square 0 only, plus 2 plus 2 4, 4 square 16. Again root 16 is 4 only, so AC value 4. Like that, let us find another diagonal BD. B 1 comma 0 become x1 y1, and then D minus 3 comma 0 become x2 y2. So now x2 minus x1 minus 3 minus x1 value 1 the whole square plus y2 0 y1 also 0 whole square. Now it becomes minus 4 square. So minus 4 square is 16, root 16 is 4. So we get a BD also is equal to BD or DB, that is also equal to 4. So AC also we got 4. Now let us see, we got that here AB equal to BC equal to CD is equal to AD we got. What it is? AB, BC, CD, AD all 4 equal to
2 root 2.
2 root 2. And then diagonals AC is equal to BD is equal to 4. Okay. So all the 4 sides are equal. AB, BC, CD, AD is equal, and the diagonals also equal. Okay. All 4 sides equal and the diagonals equal. Therefore, it is a what it is? Square. So write the answer is the given points form a quadrilateral. Finally, the given points form a quadrilateral. Sorry. Let us see next question. Find the point on x-axis which is equidistant from 2, minus 5 and minus 2, 9. 2 points are given. Okay. So let us name it A and B. And then they are saying another point on x-axis. Let it be point P. So let us draw a graph like this. They are saying the point P is on the x-axis. The other 2 points are 2, minus 5, minus 2, 9. From these 2 points, x value to y value minus 5, x to y minus 5 means it may be like this. Not accurately, we are just taking. Okay, this is the point P, and then this is point A, and then another point minus 2, 9. X value minus 2, y value 9. Like this. X minus 2, y 9 maybe. So they are saying now these 2 points are at equidistance. That means PA equal to PB. This is point B. So PA is equal to PB here. Okay. So PA is equal to PB. So I have to find that point P. So this point P lies on x-axis. It lies on x-axis means y value will be 0. Okay. X coordinate we don't know. So write it as x coordinate x only. Y coordinate y value is 0 here. So P is x, 0. Okay, so we have to find, so as per the given question, this point P is equidistant from A and B, therefore PA equal to PB. So now let us find PA. PA is equal to root over, so P and A. So point P is x1, y1, and then point A as x2, y2. So write here P, A means, what is P value? X, 0. And then A is 2, minus 5. Now this is x1, y1, this is x2, y2. Now substitute x2 value 2, 2 minus x1 is x only, the whole square plus y2, y2 value minus 5, y1 value 0, the whole square. that is equal to 2 minus x the whole square. I have to apply a minus b whole square formula. A minus b whole square, what it is? A square plus b square minus 2ab. Okay, so a square means 2 square 4 plus b square means x square minus 2ab minus 2 into a into b, 2x, 2 into 2x will become 4x plus here minus 5 whole square, don't consider 0, minus 5 whole square is 25. So we get like this. Simplify it, x square minus 4x and then 4 plus 25 plus 29. So keep that PA as this. Okay. And then PB, find PB. PB is equal to root over. So here PB, so P is x comma 0 and then B is minus 2 comma 9. Now this become x1 y1, this is x2 y2, x2 minus 2 minus x1 value x the whole square plus y2, y2 is 0 minus y1 also 0 the whole square. Sorry, y2 is what? 9. So y2 9 minus 0 the whole square. Now again a minus 2 minus x the whole square. Okay, so again looks like this, a minus b whole square. Okay, so a square minus 2 square 4 plus b square x square minus 2ab minus 2 into minus 2 into x, minus 2x 2 into minus 2x. Okay, already minus sign is there, so you have to put 4x. And then here 9 square is 81. Now simplify x square plus 4x and then 4 plus 81 plus 85. So this is PB. Okay, as per the question it is given PA equal to PB. Okay, now if you both sides if you square, answer won't change. Okay, PA square equal to PB square, we are squaring both sides. We got PA is root over of x square minus 4x plus 29. If you square it, square root will be removed. Like that both sides we get a PA square equal to PB square. I have written whatever we have found already. So now I have to simplify this to find the value of x. Both sides plus x square will be cancelled and then here minus 4x, take that plus 4x to this side, that will become minus 4x and then take this 29 that side, 85 minus 29. Okay, now simplify that. Minus 4x become minus 8x,
63.
that is equal to 85 minus 29.
63.
63.
Yes, sir.
Check it. Right. You get 56. Okay. 56 plus 29 only will get you 85. Got it. So minus 8x you are getting 56. So x is equal to 56 by minus 8. So it will be minus 7. So x we get a minus 7. Therefore what you need to get? The point on the x-axis. It is x comma 0. Therefore the point on x-axis is x value I have to substitute here minus 7. So minus 7 comma 0.